Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word unworkable. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The proposed plan was deemed unworkable due to the unrealistic timeline and lack of resources. Unworkable describes something that cannot be put into practical or effective use due to being impractical, unrealistic, or unfeasible in its current form. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.